Okay, we're recording. Big snow day. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see the snow blowing off the roof. There's our porch. See the snow blowing off that? There you go. And Andrew's eating. Andrew, more? Good. There's his sign language. More. Good. Can you clap? Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Clap, clap, clap. Good. Now you did the sign language for more, so I'm going to give you some more. Clap, clap, clap. There you go. Oh, was that hot? No hot. We just went out in the snow for a little bit. That was fun. Okay, so we just wanted to show you what our backyard looks like. Let's see if I can get a picture of. I'm going to walk towards our windows here. This is our big giant hill. And let's go out the balcony door. Whoops. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's beautiful and quiet. Okay, day one of the snow. Okay, Andrew, can I say bye-bye?